Hi.
Hi.
In this new episode of Detailing Guru, Gary will talk you through how to safely remove car badges.
There are two reasons why you're going to be removing a badge. One is that you want to keep a sleek, minimalistic look. The second is that you are replacing it with a new badge. And if you're doing so, you want to make sure that you're making yourself a template. In this instance, we are literally going to be showing you how to remove the badge. Whether it's an old or a new badge, you're going to want to make sure you soften the glue and the backing behind. So we're going to do that with a heat gun. Make sure you have it on a lower heat and you're not too close to the badge. Now we've heated up the adhesive of the badge, we want to separate it from the panel. And to do so, we're going to use simply some nylon fishing line. And the best way to do this is cutting through the foam. You don't want to push into the panel because you could inflict marking on the paintwork. So we want to pull it to ourselves to the badge and making sure that you're keeping away from the paintwork. Now we've removed the badge, as you can see, there is leftover glue and foam on the badge and the tailgate of the vehicle. There are a number of ways you can remove this, one being the toffee wheel, but I'm going to show you a way how I'd like to do it. A good way of doing this is by using some makeup removal pads and tar. And what you want to do is soak these pads and place them in position. This will allow the adhesive to soften and remove much easier. I don't like the use of acetones. I've been lucky with this one. The newer the badge, the easier the removal. If you've got old residue, you're going to need a little bit of elbow grease to remove. Once you've removed the badge, you're going to be left with an outline. And to remove that, the best way is a hand polish or your machine.
Gary, great job.
Thank you. I hope you found it useful and you've picked up some tips to try it yourself.
Up to the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. We're out. See you soon.
Bye-bye.